Your business depends on a roof that performs, day after day, in every season. But over time, commercial roofs can develop leaks, drainage issues, and structural wear that put your operations at risk. Even minor damage can lead to costly disruptions if not addressed quickly. That's why business owners in Doylestown, Pennsylvania, trust GraniteRise All-Pro Roofing Service as their commercial roof repair company. Our experienced team performs comprehensive inspections to identify leaks, membrane damage, and drainage problems. We use professional-grade materials and proven repair techniques to restore your roof strength and reliability. We work efficiently and safely to minimize downtime and keep your business running smoothly. The result is a durable, weather-resistant roof built to handle Pennsylvania's changing conditions. At GraniteRise All-Pro Roofing Service, we're committed to dependable service, clear communication, and long-lasting results. Protect your property with a roofing company you can trust. How do I know if my commercial roof needs repair? Signs include water leaks, ponding water, cracks or blisters in roofing material, interior ceiling stains, and increased energy costs. Can commercial roof repair extend roof lifespan? Yes. Timely repairs can significantly extend the life of your commercial roof and delay the need for replacement. Can commercial roof repair improve energy efficiency? Yes. Fixing leaks and insulation issues helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduce energy costs. Where is GraniteRise All-Pro Roofing Service Doylestown, PA located? We are located at 23 East Hill Drive, Doylestown, Pennsylvania 18901. Our phone number is 267-753-2396. Visit our website, www.aproofer.com/Doylestown-PA/.